Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can find category ID on WordPress. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up your WordPress profile and then go to post and then categories. Then you will see something like this. Here there is no option regarding the category ID, but if you turn the view to classic, you will be able to see a lot of options here. Now tap on any category and tap on edit. Then on the web URL, you will see something like ID equals 67. This ID is your category ID. Similarly, if you edit other category to see other ID, the process will be same. In my case, second ID equals 97. That's how you can check category ID on WordPress. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.